Hello, friends. I hope you all are staying at home safe and spending good time with your family. So, here we are with yet another interesting video. After learning the tricks from our previous videos, finding square of any number has become easy, isn't it? Let's make it easier. Whenever you find numbers close to the centenary numbers, you can apply squaring by base method. Handling numbers like 95, 197, 208, or 506 will no more be difficult. Do watch our previous videos if you haven't. For any query and suggestion, let us know in the comment section. Our phone number and email ID is given in the description box. Feel free to contact us. And yes, do like, share, and subscribe our channel.
Hi students, today our new topic and most interesting topic, how to make the square by base method. So my request, before observing this thing, please watch our previous videos. How to make square of 2-digit number, how to make square of 3-digit number, how to make square end with 5, how to make square all crosses with 1. Now, let us consider I take 98 square. I take 97 square. I take 92 square. Today's number. Unfortunately, the examiner gives the number which is very near or close to 100. Now we have to take base in the 100. You can take base as 100, base as the 200, base as the 300, base as the 900. These are known as the round base. The number may be below, may be above. This round base below the number. We know how to make the square of 2-digit number. Our previous video, how to find the square of this 98 square. Now, the shortcut rule. Your base is 100. 19 how much below from the base? 2 below. So 2 below make 2 square. So find 2 square is 4. You have to write 2 digit because in your base there are 2 zeros. So instead of 4 I write 0 4. Again 98 very close to 100. Less than 100. How much less 2? The 2 square is a 4. I have to write 2 digit because there are 2 zeros. So I write 0 4. Now these are less. How much less 2? Less 2 from the given number is a 96. I write 96 in this way. Again, 98 very nearer to 100 but below that 100. How much less? 2 less. So 2 square is a 4. I write 0 4 because in the base there are 2 zeros. So 0 4. How much less? When less you have to subtract. So 98 minus 2 your result is 96. Now here. How much less? 3 less. So 3 square is 9. I write 0 9. How much is 3 minus 3? Your answer is 94. I write 94. Now here. How much is 8? 8 square 64. I write 2D 64. Minus 8. So minus 2 is 90. Minus 6 is 84. So your result is 84. So your result 8460. 92 minus 8. 92 minus 2 is at 90. Minus 6 is 84. I write 84. This is your shortcut method. Now, if we apply the previous rule, 98 square. This is A and this is B. I wrote this thing. 8 square 64. I write 64. Slash 9 8s are 72. Make it double 144. 144. Slash 9 square 81. I put 4 on here. Plus 6 150. I write 0. Plus 5, 1 5, so 6 and 9, 96. You can get the same result 9604. Now what is the difference? You can do by the help of this method, but you can do by the help of base method, you can do within the 5-second time. Say 99 square. How much less? 1 less. 1 square is 0 1, so I write 0 1. Less 1, 98, your result is 98. Observe our next example. 102 square, 104 square, 112 square. Observe the number which is very near to the 100 but above the base. Or base is 100. How much above? 2. So 2 square is a 4. I have to write 2 digits because there are 2 zeros. So 0, 4. When less, we have to subtract. When more, we have to add. So to add, your result 104, I write 104. So 104, 0. Now our base is 100. How much more? 6. 6 square, 16. I write 16 directly. If it is more, you have to add these 4. So 108, your answer 108, 16. Here, 12 more. 12 square is 144, but I have to write only 2 digit numbers, so 44. 12 more, I add 12, 124. Lastly, I add this one, plus 1, your result is 125. So 125. Now observe, if the same problem, if I do in our previous rule, 1, 1, 2 square. Start from right side, we have already discussed, 2 square is 4. When we are taking 2 digit, 2 ones are 2 and make it double, it is again 4. When you are taking 3 digit, first and last multiply, 2 ones are 2, make it double 4. Add middle number square is 1, is a 5. I write 5. Again 2 digit from left side, 1 ones are 1, make it double 2. Again 1 square is 1. So I have to put directly 4, then 5, then 2, then 1 and check with your previous result. 1 to 5, double 4, 1 to 5, double 4. Now, in this method, you can do, but you need more time. So make it shortcut by the help of the base method. Now, you can apply base method only when the given number is either below base or above base. Otherwise, you can do for the normal method. Say, 97 square, 106 square. Your base is 100. This is below, this is above. 198 square, 204 square. Base is 200. Your number below, your number more. 499 square, 512 square. Your base is 500. The number below the base, above the base. Rule 7. When base is 100, how much less? 3 less. 3 square is 9. You have to put 2 numbers 0, 9. As is the less, minus 3, you can get 94. So your answer 9409. Base is 100 is the above. How much above? 6. 6 square is 36. I can write 2 digit number 6. If it is the above, you have to add this number 1, 1, 2. So your answer is 1, 1, 2, 3, 6. Now your base is 200. Very, very careful. How much less? 2 less. 2 square 0 4 up to that level 7. Minus 2, your result is 196 up to that 7. First is base is 200. How much less? 2 less. 2 square is 0 4. Minus 2, your result is 196. When base is 100, we can write directly. When base is 200, you have to make it double. So if I make 200 is double is 400 and 8 less 392 is your answer. Make it double because your base is 200. So 400 double is 800, 200 double is 400 and 8 minus, so 392. Your base is 200. How much more? 4 more. 4 square 69 at 16. You have to add then 208. Your base is 200, make it double. So 416 is the answer. 41616. Your base is 500. How much less? 1 less. 1 square 1, 0, 1. 1 less, your result is 498. Your base is 500, make it 5 times. 500 into 5 times 2400. And 10 less, so 2490. Not 2500, 5 into 5, 2500 and 10 less, 2490. Now 12 more, 500 is a more. 12 more, 144. 144, I write only 44. Add 12, your result is 524. Make it 5 times. 500 2500. 24 into 5, 120. Now this is 6202. Now again 12 more, 12 square 44. Your result 1 carry. Remember here. Add 12, your result 524, and make it 5 times. 5 times means 120 plus 250, so 2621, and carry 1 last. So your result 262144. Remember very carefully, your base is 500. How much more? 12 more. 12 square 144, I get only 44, not 1. Now add 12, your result is 524, make it 5 times. So 524 into 5 times, 500 into 5 times is 2500. 24 into 5 times is 120, your result 2620, and carry 1 2621. So your result is 512 square 262144. So practice at your home, very, very careful. The calculation part is very carefully you have to do and develop the skill at your home, please. Now we are giving one example. Students are requested to be very careful. One problem can be solved in the 3 different ways. You have to find out which way you are taking less step. Say I am taking one number 105 square. Process 1. 105 square. We know how to make 3D number square. Start from right side. 5 square is 25. Slash. Multiply these two numbers and make it double. 0. Slash. 3 number. 5 ones are 5. Make it double 10. Add middle number square. We have already discussed. So 10 plus 0 is a 10. Slash. Multiply these two numbers 0. Make it double 0. Slash. 1 square is 1. I put 5. 2 carry over here. I write 2. Then 0. 1 carry over here 1. I write 1. 11025 is the first process. Process number 2. 105 square. By the help of the base method. Your base is 100. This number is 5 more than the base. 5 square is 25. I write 25. As the number is more, add 5, 110. As the base is 100, no problem, so I can write 110. The second process. Third process, 105 square. We know if the number ends with 5, we can find the square. What is the rule? Instead of 5, we write always 25. Now observe the left hand digit is a 10. Multiply left hand digit to the next hand number 11. 10 into 11 is 110. Now observe, the one problem can be solved in 3 different ways. You have to understand which way you can make easier, and by which way you can minimize your time. This is the main topic. You know shortcut tips, you know how to multiply in a different process, how to make square in different process. But in exam hall, you have to choose that process where your time will be very short. So very, very careful about the problems.